As the sun rises over Florida's wetlands, life awakens beneath soft pink wings. In this quiet corner of nature, a unique hunter hides in plain sight. The roseate spoonbill, its vibrant plumage and unique bill make it unmistakable. Every step is deliberate. The muddy waters hide treasures only it can sense. Its bill acts like a radar, detecting movement striking in an instant. Another silent catch, swift and precise, like the hunter itself. When the hunt ends, he becomes a gentle guardian to his young. Balance between care and hunting is what ensures its survival. In the sky, unity becomes a vibrant dance of life. Between light and water, a silent beauty is born, beyond explanation. It leaves in silence, but its pink trail remains etched in the memory of the land.